Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by securing data and power so the reset won't create new problems. First, back up your Google account, photos, and app data to cloud and one local copy. This prevents permanent loss. Once done, make sure the battery is at least 50% or plugged into a charger, and that you have stable Wi-Fi for account re-authentication. Also confirm OEM unlock if using advanced recovery, remove the SD card, and write down account passwords before proceeding to recovery mode. You'll now enter recovery and perform the factory wipe. If the device is on, use the model's key combo or run a DB reboot recovery. Once in recovery, use volume keys to navigate and power to select, choose wipe data or factory reset. Confirm the action when prompted. Some devices require typing YES or selecting confirm. Make sure to wipe cache partition if offered. This helps prevent residual boot issues. Wait patiently. The device will report progress, and do not interrupt power during the wipe. You'll finish by rebooting and restoring access. After the wipe completes, select Reboot System Now and let the phone start. You'll go through setup and should sign in with the original Google account if factory reset protection is present. If the device gets stuck on the logo, try entering recovery again and repeat wipe or boot into safe mode to isolate apps. If problems persist, use the OEM flashing tool to reinstall firmware or contact support. That single troubleshooting step often resolves persistent boot loops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.